What I liked most in the Canary Islands, I liked the beaches, the restaurants. We stayed in a lovely hotel, the weather was beautiful, and we had a great time. It's an excellent place to go with your family. The beaches are lovely, the people there are very friendly, it's very family orientated, and we had a great time.
And it's very close and convenient to get to.
We spent loads of time on the beach, making sandcastles, and we also went to the swimming pool in the hotel. We had a great time, we hired a car, we visited the whole island, and we had a lovely time. We had a wonderful time together. We had a very relaxing time, we played well together, and it was wonderful. This is the third time we've been to the Canary Islands, and we'll be looking to come back again next year.